What's up Instagram fam? So I'm back with my another educational video. This video is for those who are willing to gain weight and those who are skinny, right? So if you are skinny, if you are just looking forward towards gaining weight, then this video is for you. So guys, as you can see that whenever it comes to gaining weight, everyone will tell you that you need to eat this much, you need to eat this, you should avoid that food, or you need to add that specific food. But I'm not going to tell you about this. I'm going to tell you the aspects. So number one is, if you have any kind of a micronutrient deficiencies in your body, then obviously you will not be able to gain weight. Just make sure that your vitamin D levels are on point, and also just go for your vitamin and mineral blood test and see that if there is any deficiencies or not. And if there is some kind of deficiency, then first you need to cope up with that, then only you would be able to gain weight. Number two is, you need to make sure that your gut health is on point. Yes, whatever you are eating, if you are not able to metabolize it properly, then you won't be able to gain weight again. Then just make sure that you are consuming some good amounts of probiotics and prebiotics for your gut health, right? Third number is, everyone focuses on carbohydrates, and yeah, it's good, you should focus on carbohydrates, but don't forget the dietary fats. So here I'll give you the ratios for that. Just make sure you're consuming 50% of carbohydrates, 30% of your fats, and 20% of your proteins, those who are willing to gain weight, right? And you can manipulate it according to your body response, right? So another thing which you need to make sure about gaining weight is your stress levels. Yes, if your stress levels are on a higher side, then obviously you won't be able to gain weight. First, cope up with your stress levels. Another thing is, when it comes to training, don't train like 5 times a week or 6 times a week or 7 times a week. Just make sure that you are training for like 3 days or 4 days a week. What can be the split for that? You can go for upper body, lower body, and full body, or you can go for push, pull, and legs and full body. So that's how you should plan your workout if you are willing to gain weight, right? So these are the small things which I told you, and this will help you to gain weight for sure. And if it helps, you just need to like it, share it, and comment. Thank you very much, guys.